Welcome everybody, this is Just Now from Just Now Exotic. In this video we're gonna be showing you how to do the paint enhancement. Once we're done, the car is gonna look fabulous, the reflection is gonna be astonishing, the color itself is gonna be more vibrant, at the end a beautiful result. Please take a look into it, enjoy the show, and stay for more videos. Thank you.
Hey guys, as you can see, the car is looking fabulous, amazing. The actual paint is way shinier, deeper, the sheen, the gloss itself, you can see your own reflection. Amazing results. That's what you get while doing a paint enhancement, proper decontamination, a single stage pass, and this reflection that you get at the end of the job. Please take a look.